Mastering the must not, a guide to expressing prohibition in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about an interesting aspect of English grammar that often confuses learners. Using must not for expressing prohibition. We'll learn when to use it, how to use it, and we'll look at a variety of examples. Let's dive right in. Must not, or mustn't, is used in English to express something that is prohibited or not allowed. This might be a rule, an instruction, or just a very strong recommendation. For example, you might hear someone say, "You must not smoke in this building." This is a clear rule, and the person is saying that smoking is not allowed. Forming a sentence with must not is straightforward. You use the subject, then must not, and then the base form of the verb. For example, I must not forget my keys. We must not be late for the meeting. Remember, it's important not to confuse must not with don't have to. Don't have to expresses a lack of necessity, not a prohibition. For instance, you don't have to wear a tie means wearing a tie is optional, not forbidden. Let's look at some examples to solidify our understanding. 1. You must not disturb the animals at the zoo. 2. Children must not play with matches. 3. We must not ignore the environment's needs. In all these examples, must not is used to express a strong rule or prohibition. And that wraps up our discussion on using must not to express prohibition. Remember, use must not when there's something that's not allowed or strongly discouraged. We hope this video has been helpful and will aid you in mastering the use of must not in English. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!